What's the word?
Well, you know, like with a song, you gotta hear it to understand it. With a word, you have to see it. So just let me break this down.
How do you pronounce that?
ECKLEBRINE.
I've never heard of that word.
Yeah, I made it up for the song.
That's not a. You made up this word.
Right. Well,
just for the song.
Yeah.
Is that something you do a lot?
No, but I don't quit my job a lot either. I mean, this was it. I was like, if I'm gonna make a song that nobody's ever heard, I'm gonna make a word that nobody's ever heard. Are you picking up that stuff going on out there? It's the first one I ever did. This was the one about the copy machine. Copy goes back and forth. That's how we make our copies. That's when you know your copy's done. It's like if you heard that sound every day, you'd be way happier because your copies would be a little more fun. I tried to get them to put that next to the copy machine, and I was, encouraging people to play it when they were making copies, but nobody did. But I just try to get out once or twice a week, capture some real sounds. It's almost like politicians. They say they like to hit the streets and see where the real people are at. Well, I like to hit the streets and see where the real sounds are at, Horns honking, jackhammers going off, weed whackers, power stations, flowers, rocks. You can get all those noises if you're quiet enough to listen to them. So I try to get out, go around town a couple times a week and just capture some of that stuff that's going on. It's not like you just go to those places over and over again and get them. You got to find them where they're happening. So you gotta walk your beat, as old-timey police officers used to say. Gotta know your neighborhood. There might actually be a train coming. Or is that those police horns honking? That's the police horns, that's not a train. World premiere. You ready? ECKLEBRINE! 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 Let's get it done. Let's do this thing. There's a party that should be starting right about now. ECKLEBRINE! ECKLEBRINE! Do you have the beer? Do you have the confetti? Do you have the cheese? Do you have the steak? ECKLEBRINE, it's party time. Let's get it on. Let's do it now. ECKLEBRINE. And then that goes on for like 5 minutes until the party's pretty started, and then it's just bass, I think. I think it'll just be bass for like 45 minutes. Okay, this one starts off with a little bit of narration to kind of fit in with some of the classics out there, like Enter Sandman and Yellow Submarine, to name a few. There's a little boy on the street. This street only has one light. There's only one light and one little boy on this street. It's nighttime. The little boy isn't from here. And I don't mean here as an area, I mean here as a planet. He's from another planet. He's come here to try to learn from us. And all we've taught him so far is fear and hate and loathing and reality TV. And he doesn't want any of that. So he's standing alone on the street, in the light, in the night, just to see what happens. To see if there's anything real going on this planet at all. And that's when he hears this song. This song right here. Ooh, ooh, who's on the streets looking for the world? Is it you? And it's really specific to him, so this is why it's moving to him. Is it you, little boy? Have you found your little girl? There's a thing in this world that nobody talks about. They go about the day and they do their walkabout. But this thing is right here, not the back of the head, but the back of the brain. And they all say it once they're dead. It's ECKLEBRINE. It's yours, it's mine. It's ECKLEBRINE. It travels through space and time to find a place where people go to find the word that we all know. It's ECKLEBRINE. And the light explodes above the little boy's head, and as glass and sparkles